Hey everyone, Jasio here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own vanishing potion, and we'll test it out on a coin. Now I'm going to make this quarter disappear. So I'm going to put it here. The paper towel isn't important, it's just because I don't want to make a mess. I've got my empty potion bottle right here. You can see the quarter is still at the bottom underneath it. Now I'm going to add my secret vanishing potion to the bottle and watch the quarter. Keep an eye on it this whole time. You can still see it. You can still see it. But as I add more of my potion, it's gone. What happened to it? So actually, my vanishing potion was just plain old water, and the coin is still underneath. What happened here is the light coming in was refracted. You see light waves coming in this way, and they refract, they bounce off of the water, and they sort of miss and it leaves a blind spot, so the light is not hitting where that coin is. That's why we can't see it. You can think of it, this water is sort of distorting the way the light waves are coming in. When it was empty, you could see it just fine, but with the water bending the way the light comes in, it makes it look like the coin's not even there. So if this bottle were empty again, you'd see it just fine. So I just emptied out the bottle, and without the water, you can see the coin just fine again. So this works with any kind of glass. It could be a flat, normal glass that you would drink out of. It doesn't have to be a funny looking potions bottle. And it works with any kind of coin. You just have to position yourself at just the right way that when the water fills up, it vanishes. So feel free to try this at home or do this neat little magic trick on your friends.